Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive subscribers and subbies, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. This will be the final video in my Barebones TN series. And what is it? Dressing up your TN. This is the TN that we have been working on, that I have been working on throughout the series. I'm going to put the finishing touches on it today, which will be adding the pockets. So I have these Dollar Tree type pockets that I got from Amazon, and I got this business card holder that I got from Staples. I picked this rose gold pen for the TN. I had purchased these stickers earlier this year. They were at a store called Dirt Cheap, so I just picked them up because they were rose gold, which is the hot color, or copper, whatever right now. And the stack that I was using, this Mamby stack right here that I got the paper from, it doesn't have any cutouts, so I just went to Craftsmith's rose gold stack, and I just pulled this sheet of cutouts. Ugh, it's gonna reflect, I'm sorry, but I just pulled this sheet. And this is what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be cutting out these, laminating them, and putting them in the TN. So keep watching. The first thing I'm going to do is just to adhere these pockets. These are the clear pockets. Like I say, the ones that you can get from Target, that I have never found at Target, nor have I seen them on Target's website. So I got two, one for the front cover, one for the back cover, and this is for the folder. So let's get this on open, get this taken care of. And I'm just going to plop it in the middle. And guys, please forgive the noise. I have tried and tried to ask them to stop with the noise, and they just continue. So what I'm going to do in a minute is, if they get too rowdy, I'm going to make everybody go to bed. Okay, I got some lint up under this thing. Let me see if I can get it off without tearing up something. I think I got it. There it is. I got that off. I'm going to put one on the back cover back here. Oh, I need a third one because I need to put one on the page marker. So I'll get a third one later and put it on the page marker. And again, I'm just going to plop this one, kind of eyeball it in the center to the bottom of the paper itself, and not the lamination. And I think her name is Louisa. She puts one of these like right here for her business card holder. So let me get that here, and then I'm gonna put everybody to bed, and we'll make everybody go to bed or something, because they're gonna have to stop all that extra noise. It's the only time I have to record right now, and I want to get this series finished. So I'm taking care of that, and I will go and get that extra pocket later. I went ahead on and grabbed the extra pocket. So let's find here it is. This is the page marker, and I'm just going to put it back here because I actually like that little design right there. And I'm just going to plop it in the middle. There we go. And I'm just going to pop this in. Okay, what's next? What's next is I am going to cut apart some of these stickers here with my scissors. Find my scissors. And I'm just gonna cut some of these in big enough strips, well, small enough strips, so they will fit inside the pocket. The AC is on, that's that hum that you hear. So I'm just gonna, I would have cut up this whole entire thing, but somebody has gone in and pulled some of the pieces, so I'm just gonna cut what I can. And I still have those other stickers that I had gotten from Dollar Tree, those other planner stickers. I still have those. But I just thought these would be particularly cute with this because this rose gold. Come on. And I guess if I had just pull the pages out themselves and then put them on the slicer, just slice them off, that would have worked too, huh? So let's see. Get a few of those. Let's get a few stars. Let's see. Let's just take off this. I don't know, let's go this way. And this will be a little bit easier. There we go. Some stars. Let's go with let's go with one of these rows here. Today, jot it down. Tomorrow we're planning. Okay. There we go. And let's see. Let's pull off a couple of these, and then we'll be good. Let's do reminder. Let's do this top one. 1, 2, 3. We'll take four rows, 3 of these rows. It's 12 stickers. Okay. Just trim this off a little bit so it'll fit. There we go. And we're gonna put these inside our TN. Get those out of the way. Here's an arrow. So I put this arrow in too. Let's see. Should I put them in here? Should I put them in there? I don't know. We'll, I don't know. I bet if I can just get them in. I'll find somewhere to put that in a minute. We'll put these in here. And we'll put these little two back here, along with the little short arrow. There we go. And we got the stickers in place. Now we're going to get to the, see, I got started without you guys. So I'm just going to cut these out. Not all of them. Just gonna do a few in the interest of time. Just gonna do a few on camera anyway. Something is not quite lining up right. And that's it. Okay, let me go down this way. And this is probably where I will stop, because others I'm going to have to stop and cut in one direction and then in another direction. Yeah. So let's just cut these off. One of the babies is crying. Oh, I hate when they cry. And I'm just gonna laminate these few, and I should have turned on my laminator, which is what I will do now. And it is on, and I already got my laminating sheet out and ready to go. And I'm just gonna cut. I should leave it on there, but I'm gonna cut it out and just have it as a little extra piece. And let's get these set up in here. And this is just a 3 milliliter laminating sheet. It's not the 5 milliliter. And my cutting is not perfect either, so don't judge me. Go. And as soon as the laminator heats up, I'm gonna put this in and I'll be back. Okay, cutouts have been laminated and they are about to be cut out. All the pieces are cut, and now we're finna rearrange some things, because now I think I would rather have these things in the pockets on the side and maybe the stickers inside the folder, just so that they can stay, I ain't gonna say neater, but I don't want them to get destroyed or whatever. So I'll just put those in the pocket. Let's see what will fit here. How about create happiness? Create happiness, and then we'll put some of these white ones in. Inspire. Enjoy the little things. I'll put those right there. And I'll take these stickers here and put them behind here. And that would at least let somebody, let's say for instance if this was going to a friend or whatever, you was buying it for a friend, that would at least let them know that there's a pocket back there that they can use. Put those back there, and then let's put these in here. Let's see. It's a good day for a good day. Will it fit? Just barely. I mean, just barely. We put this gold one here, and we smile often, and whatever that one. That's just a little decorative one, and. Let's see what we're gonna put dream at. You know what? Let's do this. Let's remove this, because I just put this in as a placeholder anyway. Actually, would like to keep it there, but let me put this washi tape sample in here somewheres. I think right here will be good, and it can be seen. There we go. Let's see, dream. I still dream that we're together, baby. I love that song. I'll just put it right here. Why not? Ooh, let's just pull off something. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's put it back, put it back, put it back. Okay, there we go. And let me try that again. I hope that I don't mess it up again. So let's do this here. Put this in here. And then let's be careful and put this in here. There we go. Excuse me again. Allergies, still allergies. Okay. And so we have finished our Barebones TN process and dressing up your TN. So let's just do a really quick walkthrough. We have our bows on top. The ones were made with a template that we just downloaded off the internet. A couple made with stickers, and the rest were made with, I think this one was actually made with the sticker as well, and these other ones were made with scraps from the paper pad, or from a paper pad. We put the Target dollar spot type pocket on the front and put some of the cutouts and the washi tape sample here. We have our shaker window with a mini, what's this thing called, a mini dashboard right here. And this is the first signature that is ruled, and I put a arrow paper clip here just because. What we got? Okay, and now we're at the dashboard, the full-size dashboard, and I just put some Target dollar spot flags and sticky notes on here. Sticky flag pages, flag, whatever you want to call it. Page flags, that's what they are. And some sticky notes. This is the folder that was created from a sheet of the paper. And right here is a pocket for a business card. And we got stickers here. We have the page marker here with Fabulous on top. And Hello Sunshine. And the pocket on the back with some stickers in it. This would be the second, or actually the third one if you wanted it, if you wanted one in here. Signature, and this is just a placeholder. And we have the second or the third pocket on the very back with some more cutouts from a paper stack, which is Craftsmith's Rose Gold Stack. Guys, I really and truly enjoyed doing this video for you, and for me too. I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye, love bugs.